Enterprise teams often spend hours transforming business insights into executive presentations. With Cequence AI Gateway, Google Slides can be securely connected to AI through MCP-powered workflows. In this example, a business analyst has already generated key business insights from enterprise data. Instead of manually creating slides and organizing content, the analyst uses AI to automatically generate an executive presentation. We begin inside Cequence AI Gateway by creating a new MCP server for Google Slides. The workflow securely connects Google Slides so presentations can be created through governed AI interactions. We configure the Google Slides connector and complete the MCP setup directly inside the AI Gateway. Once configured, the MCP server securely exposes approved Google Slides capabilities to AI assistants like Claude without requiring custom integrations or manual workflows. Next, that MCP server connects directly to Claude. The analyst can now interact with Google Slides using natural language prompts. It reviews the connected Excel data and summarizes the key revenue metrics, pipeline performance, and business opportunities. The workflow automatically analyzes the business data and prepares actionable insights for executive reporting. Now the analyst asks it to build a professional presentation in Google Slides. Claude uses the connected business insights to automatically generate slides and organize the content for executive review. Instead of spending hours creating presentation materials, teams can transform business insights into executive-ready presentations through a secure MCP-powered workflow. Cequence AI Gateway securely connects enterprise applications like Google Slides to AI through MCP. This enables organizations to automate presentation creation using secure, governed, and natural language workflows.